on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seat, take care when opening over lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all of your personal belongings with you. Remember that smoking is not allowed in 2 feet designated area. If your journey ends here at Heathrow and leaving the aircraft, please follow the yellow signs to arrive doors. If you are connecting onto another flight from